Welcome to 630 Cabrillo Street, or Cabrillo Street in San Francisco, California. This is the first bedroom in the front. As you can see, it's been nicely appointed and furnished. Queen size bed, closet, and all the amenities that you might need. The shared common area includes a foyer and a living room and kitchen and storage space. Here's the living room. This is the kitchen. As you can see, granite countertops, new stainless steel appliances. And this door leads to the shared backyard. The rear bedroom will show in a minute, but let's go to the bathroom. This is the bathroom. As you can see, it's got everything that you need. And that is the shared area in the front bedroom. The rear bedroom is also nicely appointed. Looks out onto the backyard. And that is 630 Cabrillo Street. There is a third bedroom that is rented. If you have any questions, please email us. And thank you so much.